day, everyone. Today we will take a journey to discover the history of our beloved city.
Come and join us as we explore the culture, origins, and milestones that made our locality what it is now. I am Marino Matias and I'm with
Angelica Janao Bailan, and we are the first year students of Philippine Normal University, Visayas.
So here with us today is Ma'am Montibano, who will be sharing her knowledge about the history of Victoria City. Good morning, Ma'am. Thank you for taking time to share with us. We will be conducting an interview, Ma'am, about the history of Victoria City. So can you tell us the story behind the name of Victoria City?
Before, Victorias was known as Tugkagawan because of the abundance of malihao trees which people have observed growing along the riverbanks. The place was called Malihao. Malihao was always frequented by pirates and tulisanes. One day, Malihao was attacked by the pirates. They had abducted Capitana Tutang, the wife of the Teniente del Barrio, and the maid Mikay. The leader of the pirates asked Capitana Tutang if she knew how to swim. Then Capitana Tutang said she didn't know to swim. So they were thrown into the sea together with the maid Mikay. Little did the pirates knew that Capitana Tutang was a great swimmer. So while she was swimming, going to the seashore, she was praying. Then all of a sudden, a lady appeared above the water. The lady was holding a sword. She was so beautiful. Then she helped Capitana Tutang and Mikay went back to the seashore. It's the name of the image. It was called Nuestra Señora de las Victorias. So, because of the miracle that happened, Capitana Tutang and the people of Malihao asked the governor to change the name of Malihao from Malihao to Nuestra Señora de las Victorias. But then the name is very long, thus the word Victorias was retained. So that's how we got our name Victorias.
Next, do you know any legend, story, or important person connected to our village?
It's called Buraray. Buraray or Buraray. Before it was called Madanlog. Why it was Madanlog? Because the place was very slippery. And during that time, whoever is the oldest in the community is the leader. The old person who was in the hammock, they slept in the stones. So that's why the place was called Madanlog.
What important events happened with the change?
Pedro Aconilla Pina was a millionaire merchant trader. He was a trader plus money. He came to Victorias when Victorias was in Danbanwa. 5 kapidaso sang duta ni Teodoro Benedicto ginsaklam sang taga Victorias. So, the heirs of Teodoro Benedicto accused Victorias because of this. Esteban Alandoni made a joke to Don Aliado Acuña Pina saying niya i-donate na lang ang ino na katutaw. Don Aliado Acuña Pina said, okay, I will donate my land as long as the seat of government will be situated in the land that I will be donating.
Are there landmarks, traditions, or celebrations that are unique to us?
We are celebrating October 16 every year since 2014. It's called the Don Alejandro Acuña Pina Day because it commemorates the day when Don Alejandro Acuña Pina donated the población of the Philippines.
How has our community changed over the years?
the community changed over the years from being a third-class municipality, then it became a city because of the resilience of Victoria Manila. They're very hospitable, they're very industrious, and most of all, Victoria's Hanong are a religious people.
Victorias is also known as the sweet green city of the Philippines due to its historical connection to the sugar industry, particularly the Victorias Milling Company, which was once the largest sugar mill in Southeast Asia.
The story behind Balihao being renamed as Victorias.
The village was then raided by Moro pirates, which stole jewelry, food, and clothing, and kidnapped Kapitana Tutang and her servant, Mikay.
Anong na sila? Yaboy na sila!
Kapitana Tutang and her servant swam back to shore, and upon reaching, they felt the presence of the Virgin Mary, also known as Nuestra Señora de las Victorias.
Now, let's get to know the different festivals that we celebrate here in Victorias.